that inclusive and consultative approach will be used throughout, and we'll have informed MPs so that when it goes to second reading, they know exactly what's actually being read. Yes, Mr. Tathmani.
On the licensing part, since you are the ones who are providing the technical aspect to the board and advising them.
Not to the board. Oh, sorry, finish your question then.
Okay. You have said you provided the technical aspect for them to look at what is available. Maybe my question is related to the capacity that the digitalization will be able to accommodate. How many licenses are we in a position to see being available for grabs?
Okay. The first bit, just a point of correction. The BAS engineers and the legal side provide the technical specs of what we need in there. We give the policy direction to say this is what we want to do. We can say we want regional frequencies. We can say we want community frequencies. So ensure that you capture this bit. That we need this priority. Ensure you capture this bit. Then they will do their frequency audit and frequency planning based on that policy direction. So, in terms of capacity, televisions, we will probably have first 12 television stations, and then another 12. That will take us to 24 as we release more and as we continue to construct our digitalization. So we are working with about 24 channels.
Thank you.
So just to follow up on the infrastructure for the digitalization program, there were about 5 sites that were condemned by engineers. Have they been reconstructed?
There are bits of reconstruction. Some, I think a couple are done. The other 2, the other 3 have been working. This is structural engineering thing where our contractors did some work and our consultants came and said, nah, this does not sustain, because our